Hi everyone, welcome to Tested and Tasted. Today I am sharing home remedy for cold and cough with very simple ingredients. I have tested this remedy multiple times and it always does wonders. I usually prefer home remedies because it saves you from lot of other troubles like visiting doctors and facing side effects of antibiotics and medications. Though I have shared this remedy verbally with many people, I thought of making this video so that I can explain it better with all do's and don'ts and it can work best for you. Let's start. We need just 3 ingredients: turmeric powder, salt and water. In a small bowl, take 1/8 spoon of turmeric powder and 1/8 spoon of salt. We need boiling water, so put water for boiling in a vessel or you can boil it in a kettle. Once water is boiled, add 1/4 cup of water to turmeric and salt mixture. Stir it nicely and drink immediately as hot as you can. Here are few things which we have to remember. First thing, who can take this medicine? Basically, anyone can take this. I have been giving this to my kids from the age of 3. Just reduce the quantity to half if you are giving to kids of age less than 15 years. Both turmeric and salt are basic ingredients and don't have any side effects as such. In case you are allergic to turmeric, avoid taking it. If you have high BP, reduce salt content in the mixture. Next question is when you can take this remedy. For best results, take immediately when you start feeling any sort of irritation in your throat or have a cold. It can be taken any time during the day and maximum 3 times in a day with an interval of 8 hours. You can take it until you feel better for maximum of 4 to 5 days. You must take just before going to bed and make sure you don't drink or eat anything after this remedy. If you are taking during daytime, do not eat or drink at least for an hour after taking this remedy. The only purpose is to leave the impact of salt and turmeric on your throat for some time. It can be taken empty stomach as well. Things to remember. As I mentioned earlier, this is very important. Don't eat or drink anything after taking this remedy at least for an hour. Do not add extra water to salt or turmeric mixture to dilute it. It should be taken in very small quantity just as a medicine. Do try this remedy and share it with your family and friends if it helped you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy.